Sichuan opera is a shining pearl within the treasury of Chinese opera. It boasts a rich and colorful repertoire, and there is even a saying that goes, 3,000 on a tang, 800 on a song, and the songs without count on the three kingdoms, describing the variety of historical topics covered by Sichuan opera. Up on a dreamlike and gorgeous stage, Sichuan opera's unique skills of fast mask changing, fire breathing, and lights rolling continue to win the love of countless audiences with their infectiously delightful performances. Sichuan opera's mask changing is famous for its mysterious, rapid, and flexible changing techniques. During the performance, the actor wears multiple layers of traditional painted masks cleverly uses various movements and techniques to quickly switch masks and display different faces in a blink of an eye. The actor switches through various emotions in an instant, making the audience feel as if they are in another fantasy world themselves, and letting them enjoy a uniquely fascinating experience. The process of watching mask changing in Sichuan opera is intoxicating, but even an ordinary oil lamp on the stage can be particularly eye-catching. The lamp is not only the source of the stage's lighting, but also a tool for the actor to cleverly show performing forms and figures of Sichuan opera. A slightly trembling oil lamp is topped on the actor's head, dancing or passing through a bench, or turning somersaults with the actor. During the performance, the actor uses extraordinary skills and body control to roll the oil lamp smoothly. Meanwhile, the actor expresses the feelings, emotions, and the characters of the role by adjusting his eyes, eyebrows, and lips to provide endless fun for the audience. With the laughter of the audience, a mysterious fire-breathing stunt actor dressed in a gorgeous costume with a solemn and focused expression comes on stage. As the melody starts, the actor gently exhales at a candle flame by controlling his breathing through his throat. As a result of the exhalation, a fierce flame rises on the stage like a dragon soaring into the air, a phoenix spreading its wings, a tiger roaring, or a bird taking flight. The firelight illuminates the expectant and excited expressions on the audience's faces and also helps awaken in them an attentive and devoted love for the art of Sichuan opera.